In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use the ink replay feature in Excel so you can see how the different drawings and highlighting was applied to your Excel sheet to better see kind of a concept, a thought process, a process flow, for example. To do this, first you're going to want to go to the Draw tab. And here you're going to go to the right where you're going to see a replay grouping and you're going to click on ink replay. And this kind of produces a bit of a video where you can see how the ink was applied. And you can rewind, go forward, play, pause, fast forward, and kind of the normal things that you could do in just a typical sort of video. This is helpful if you want to see kind of how the ink was applied, what was applied first versus what was applied last, or kind of the thought process behind it. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.